I'm here with Cameron Parsons, who is a race car driver and enthusiast. And I hear that you're a fan of QuickJack.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of time to waste, so being able to get up quickly, crawl underneath, knowing that we're safer with it on the QuickJack, it just does everything that we need it to. An easy and safe solution for basically for getting work done on your car quickly in the garage, in the pits, and in the paddock at all the tracks we go to. And so far through this season, we've been using it a ton.
Tell us a little bit about what kind of racing you do.
But right now the big focus is on the Trans Am series, where I'm racing the TA2 class Chevy Camaro.
You were mentioning to me that you were watching what other people did.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
We would see they would kind of teeter the car one way, lift up one side, throw some jack stands underneath, and lift up the other side. And I saw that, I'm just thinking, that's way too time consuming. It's dangerous, it makes me nervous. When you deal with a car as heavy as ours, you start having to look into heavier duty options. So being able to just roll the car up, slide the QuickJacks underneath, push a button, you see it lift up, it's a lifesaver.
So it sounds like you're a big fan, that there's a lot of things that you like about the QuickJack. Can you give me the top 3 things that you would tell people why a QuickJack would benefit them?
Safety, convenience, and speed. Easy as that. It lives in the garage when we are not at the track, but then we can toss it in the trailer, take it out there, plug it in, hook everything up, and get it up. I especially like that it has 2 heights that we get to choose between. If we're just doing a quick tire change, we can lift it to the half height. If we're actually crawling underneath, we can raise it all the ways up and get the whole crew under there and work on it.
So the QuickJack lives up to its name. It's quick, right?
Yes, QuickJack enabled us to get on the track and get some good results this year.